Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Have you ever struggled with duplicate data? Today I will show you how to use the unique formula in Excel. I will walk you through its syntax, how to use it, and even reveal some powerful ways to combine it with other formulas. Okay, let's jump right in. The unique formula in Excel extracts distinct values from a range of data, removing duplicates automatically. For example, here we have a list of customer names in column A, but some are repeated. Using the unique formula, we can quickly generate a list of distinct names. The syntax of the unique formula is simple. Array the range of cells to extract unique values. By column, it's optional. If set to true, it finds unique columns. By default, it's false, so it finds unique rows. Exactly once, it's also optional. If set to true, it returns values that appear only once. Now let's see how it works with our example. Now how to use the unique formula. Here is our example dataset. If you want to extract unique values from this list, first select a cell. Now type =sign unique. Double click the unique command. Select the range and close the formula. Finally press enter. And here's the result. Excel dynamically generates the unique names. Let's take it further. What if you want to find names that appear only once in the list? Just type this formula. Let's break down the formula. Unique function is used to extract unique values from a range. A2 to A10 is the array argument. It specifies the range from which unique values will be extracted. False checks for unique rows. True includes only values that appear exactly once, excluding duplicates. Now press enter. Excel finds the name that appears only once in the list. If your data is arranged in columns, use the by column argument. To find unique columns, type this formula. Press enter. Done. Excel will extract unique columns. Best combinations of unique formula in Excel. Unique plus SUMIF. If you want to calculate the total sales for each unique product, select a cell and type this formula. Now press enter and Excel will extract the distinct product names. Now select the next cell and type this formula. Finally press enter. Now we have a clean organized tables with distinct product names and their total sales. Unique plus sort. If you want a sorted list of unique values, type this formula. Press enter. The unique formula extracts the distinct product names, and the sort formula arranges them in ascending order. Unique plus filter. If you want to extract unique values based on a condition, just type this formula. Press enter. The filter function selects rows where in stock is yes. And the unique formula removes duplicate from the filtered list. By combining unique with these formulas, you can unlock powerful data management and analysis capabilities in Excel. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Learning for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.